god, you guys. Guys, this is literally like the most snow we've had in 2 years, probably. Because it didn't snow like this last year. I'm getting so sweaty. Ooh.
From the front, my bitch a beauty. From the back, look at that booty. She wanna parlay with my goonies. I'm tryna three-way with her roomie. Hey roomie, I bet you.
Okay.
And do you want a bag?
Yes, please. It's kind of hard to walk out there without it.
Yeah, definitely.
Thank you.
Right,
What's your name?
Lena.
Thanks,
Of
Lena.
course. Have a nice day.
You too.
Oh, underlay, underlay. Elle de maréchal, no me know for this incising.
A creme brulee type deal. Got one tiramisu and then one cheesecake. Even though me and the sales girl both decided we were lactose intolerant, but we were ready to risk it all. Hi guys, I'm currently getting ready to go pick up my keys to my new place. I wonder if I should put my wig cap forward a little bit more. So yeah, I'm currently getting ready. I'm getting my wig ready. Oh geez, the back of this is so tangly. I've been feeling a lot of emotions. Like, first one is the fact that like I'm doing all of this stuff by myself. Like, none of my friends are free today because they all work jobs. Understandable. My family obviously isn't here right now to help me because they live in Nigeria. And then I don't have a man's who is dedicated to like making my life easier, so I'm just doing it by myself, which is fine. Uh-oh, what was that noise? Oh, that feels good. Feels nice and soft. Oh my god. I actually have an ogo. Every time I think, oh, my wig looks high, it's my head itself that is high. Now it looks really good. Bless up, feeling cute. Play Bust It by Ari Lennox. Oh my god, you guys. The light is hitting. Oh my god. Finally mine. I'm ready to move in. The sun hits like crazy. Hello? I want to see the layout. Okay, so this is what I'm thinking so far. The head of the bed will be against this wall and it's gonna come like this. Oh, I just realized that the internet plug-in is there. That doesn't mean the TV has to be there, right? I couldn't measure the dimensions. It's all worked out so well. Thank God. Okay, Daddy, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go home so that I can finish packing. Yeah. Yeah, get ready for movers tomorrow. Amen. Thank you.
Just do some 24 and 1.1.
Okay, Daddy.
So, yeah, I said it's a prayer. Alright, love you.
Amen. Love you, Daddy.
That will be all for you.
Amen. Love you. Bye.